Oh, Camp K, it's so good to see you, Camp K. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's go ha. Good. Try not to stumble here. Okay, Piper, come here. You're tangled up. There we go. All right, we got it. It's always so pretty out here. It smells so good. Here's a musher camp, or the main part. And the trails go off from here. Oh, a nice roof they put on that. These would have been great horse endurance trails. There's the little bathroom. This way, G. The mailbox and the bulletin board for Dogtown, USA. Here's my favorite camping spot for the day. Right near the bathrooms. This is pretty much the starting line.